Next application is a BCD adder. If the input is the BCD 8421 code, weighted 8421 code, you can write a BCD, and if you have two BCD digits, how to do an addition operation. So it is a combination circuit which performs addition of two BCD digits and produces a sum. Okay, and the output is also in a BCD. So if it is a binary addition, you can directly add together. But what happens in BCD is the value is being produced only from 0 to 9. Okay, so if it is 6 plus 3, example I'm taking it, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. The answer is BCD is 9. But if I come for 7 plus 4, if I add in, it is an invalid code. 11, it's an invalid code in BCD. Therefore, whenever you get a number greater than 9, it is an invalid code. I have to convert into a BCD by adding 6 to the answer. And you will get the combination as 1, 1. It is not 11, it is 1, 1. So this is 1 and this is 1. So 1, 1. So make sure that in a BCD addition, if it is below 9, it is very much easier to do the operation. If the digits are going to be greater than 9, it is an invalid code of a direct binary addition. So that particular answer should be added up with the number 6 in order to produce a BCD output. How to do this operation? Okay, I have taken a 4-bit BCDs. So you can see here. Okay, S0, S1, S2, S3 are 4 input bits. Therefore, 2 power 4, 16 combinations I can write. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Till 9, your information output all is valid code. Why is a valid code? It is a valid code. From 10 onwards, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, it is an invalid code. It's an invalid code. Okay, so from 0 to 15, your carry output is all 0. And for your 15th bit, you have carry output. From 15th onwards, the carry output is 1. So see here the truth table, it's a 4-bit. From 0 to 9, you have the output of a valid code. From 10 to 15, it is an invalid code. This is a representation of the, if this comes, you need to add number 6 to it. And similarly, from 0 to 14, your carry output is all zeros. There is no carry out, final carry out. But if I start from 15th onwards, there will be having a carry out. So you need to produce 1 over here. So draw the truth table, after the truth table, you need to go for K mapping. K mapping you're going to do for S0, S1, S2, S3. It's a 4 variable along with C0. Therefore, it is a 5 variable K map. You know the 5 variable K map. It has already been done. Go and watch the 5 variable K map video where you can understand how to do it. So I'm going to use a 5 variable K map. S0, S1, S2, S3 is a 4 variable along with that C0 which takes place for 0 condition, C0 for 1 condition. That is a 5 variable map. See here, I have done the mapping now. So S0, S1, S2, S3. See how I have written. Accordingly, I am going to map it. So you have to look seriously into your truth table and map your outputs. Don't generally close your eyes and say M1, M2, M3 marking. No. Here you have to do S1, S0, S3, S2. See the mapping accordingly and map here ones according to the ones produced here. And C0 you have taken from 0. Therefore, here you have the condition from 0 to 14. Okay. And from 15 onwards, so 16 to 32 onwards, your output C0 will become 1. So, all the outputs are having higher condition. All the outputs will have high condition. Because it's all the combination of 1, 1, 1, all high condition. Therefore, now you're going to map here. I'm showing one example. Okay. Take the condition S0, S1 as 0, 1. S0 and S1 as 0, 1. Okay. 0, 1 you take it. 0, 1 you take. Okay. 0, 1. Again come here for the condition 0, 1. See here. 0, 1. 0, 1, S1 and S2. What is S2 and S3? 1, 1. So I have taken this condition and this condition. Output is 1. Output is 1. Invalid code, output is 1. So see here, invalid code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only you will have invalid codes. All others are 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For this 6 condition, you have marked it. So what are the 6 condition? You have to identify first S naught. S naught and S1 1 0. S naught and S1 1 0. Okay, along with it S3 and S2 1 0. See here, 1 0. Therefore the output is 1. Second condition 1 1 S naught and S1 1 1 and S3 and S2 1 0. There, this condition. Similarly, next condition is 1 0 0 0 0. Output is 1 1. Similarly, 0 1. Output is 1 1 1. Next is 1 0 1 0. S3 S2 is 1 1. Okay, now this is one chord and this is one chord. Okay, it's a 5 variable mapping. So now total 1 variable mapping you'll have it. Regularly this one chord and this one chord. Now this chord and this chord are identically equivalent in 5 variable mapping. See here, I've given C1 and this C12 is 1. G2 I've given. This is one mapping. Similarly, this chord and this chord is G1. And total ones is G3. Therefore, write down the equation. Final equation y is equal to G1 plus G2 plus G3. Okay. What is G3? The answer is 1. C naught is 1. C naught is 1. What is G1? When you want to come for G1, what is this variable? The variable is taking common function here is S1. Okay, the common function here is S1. What is the common function here? S3. S3 is a common. Therefore, S1 into S3, C0 bar and C1 bar. So, this we cannot take it. Therefore, S1 into S3. 5 variable mapping. G2. Similarly, this chord along with this chord. So, what is this chord? S3, S2. These values all are different. S3, S2. Therefore, S3, S2. Therefore, the information is C0, 1 is C0 plus S1 into S3, S3 plus S2. How to draw the circuit? How to draw the circuit? So, the circuit for this chip is, see here, it's a 4-bit binary adder. I'm going to take a 4-bit. BCD is a 4-bit. A0, A1, A2, A3. 4 inputs. Added up along with B0, B1, B2, B3. Therefore, the information is like A3, A2, A1, A0. Added up with B0, B1, B2, B3. So, both are BCD. What is the answer? This is what is the representation of the circuit. So, you're going to get this is S0, this is S1, S2, S3 and final carry. Okay. So, this we call it as final carry out. See this. When I add these two 4-bit adder, S0, S1, S2, S3 and final carry output. So, while doing this, assume that the previous carry is present. So, previous carry initially it is 0. Logical 0. Initial carry assumption that from previous bit if anything is there, it is 0. So, you are performing an operation. You will get the answer S0, S1, S2, S3. Okay. Now you are going to check whether this is 6 plus 3. This is 6, this is 3. You write down 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. You add the value. Okay, this is the answer. So you will get S0 as 1, S1 as 0, S2 as 0, S3 as 1. Final carry is 0. For the answer is 1, 1. It is a valid code. It is a valid code. Now, if you take the second operation 7 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. If you add this, it becomes an invalid code. It becomes an invalid code. If it is an invalid code, you have to add digit 6. You have to add digit 6. So, that is being done here. See here. So, to add your 6 digit, you are use this equation. Use this equation, what we have done it in the thing. C out plus S1 into S3, S3, S2. We have found out using a K-map. Draw the circuit here. So, it is an AND gate between S1 and S3. S1, S3 were AND gate. S3, S2 second AND gate. Okay, along with C out, you are adding up here. So, it is an adder circuit. This is the output Y. You check whether this is a valid code. This will coming out. If it is an invalid code, you are going to add digit 6. How to add digit 6 here? Here it will become what will happen if it is an invalid code. Y is equal to 1 means it's an invalid code. Then you are going to add here 6, 0, 1, 1, 0. So B3 and B0 is logical 0. B3, B0 is logical 0. B2 and B1 is logical 1, that is Y1. Okay, you are adding 6. So take this value, add 6 to it, then you will get, this is 10th position, this is 1st position. Therefore, you add this now, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. This is 10th position, this is 1st position, the answer is 1, 1. The answer is 10, 1 and 1's become 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is 1. This is how we do the binary adder. So make sure you do the truth table, calculate a 5 variable mapping, find out the CY. If CY is equal to 0, it is an invalid code, you produce a direct output. Okay, if CY is equal to 1, you need to add any valid code by making it as a valid code by adding 6 to it. Use this logic 0, 1, 1, 0. Add this logic to the present information output. Then you will get the values in terms of tens and ones. This answer will become 1, 1. What I have shown over here. This is how we do this operation. So adding of 6 is being carried like this. This is logical 0, this is logical 1, which is given here. This is how we get a BCD adder operation for any number of 4-bit information. Thank you.